Hello traders. Resistance and daily chart. ఒక 3 hours ఉంది క్యాండిల్ క్లోజ్ అవ్వడానికి. సో ఈ లోపల ఏమైనా చేద్దాం. టాప్లో రెసిస్టెన్స్ వచ్చింది క్లియర్. సెషన్స్ ఓపెన్ చేద్దాం. లెట్స్ మార్క్ అవర్ 15 minutes చార్ట్ మీకు వచ్చింది. ఇంకా ఇంకేజ్ ఇక్కడ what else can we draw? We can draw something like this. Okay, this might be a support now on 15 minutes. Okay, let's see. So 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So previous high level mark already. This one. Okay, and RSA is also in the down chart. Okay, so what can happen? 1, 2, 3rd time, the 4th time it's coming. If it is not happening to break these levels, range formation, I can set it off. Let's see how it is going to happen. This is stood there, and it is going to resistance also. It has to come down like this. It's not guaranteed that it has to come, but probability of coming down is high. But looking at the sharp support here, the way it is, the buyers are reacting at this zone is um, little interesting. Why? And look at this fall. It's not like red. It was like red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. So when this happens, right, probability of getting this breakdown is little difficult. How market should come? It should come. Red, and then retracement, then red. Then there will be a probability or higher chance of breaking these levels. So look at here. How did it come? Slowly it has come. Right? Again, it went up. Look at this. Slowly it has come. Again, slowly it went up. Slowly it is coming down. FIBO level is okay. This is a retracement. It's a fall, a retracement. But this is standing at the support. This is strong support. So there's something happening around this area. Okay. Buyers are looking strong. So till this low breaks here, we cannot say it is a sell direction. All this zone, it's a buyer heavy zone. So somebody has to really short at these levels, very big. Only then this can fall to this level and break this level. If not, it is nicely forming a range. Okay. So after forming this range, we should see how it behaves here. If there is a pattern that is like convincing us to take a buy, then you can take a buy trade, enter here, and then target will be at these levels. If not, it is like showing some kind of sell indication. Then you can look for a small breakdown here, and then keep this as a target and this as a target. You have to exit before this. That's very important. You cannot expect big move because you look at the rally, it's full upward. Okay, and from past like at least 16 hours, 12 hours, 1, 6, 6, 18, like these are 12 hours. So 12 hours, 12 to 18 hours, it is almost taking this as a support, meaning buyers are interested here in these zones. Okay, I usually don't trade in US sessions because there'll be a huge fluctuation, volatility in the market based on news. अगर ट्रंप ने कहा फिर से I am going to bomb Iran, then gone case, it will shortly come down. So I am not a news trader. I am only a technical analysis trader. I don't follow any news. I don't want to follow because why, I'll tell you. If you look at this jump, okay, this is exactly standing on the support zone. I was looking for a buy position here, and this is when Trump declared that he is not bombing Iran anymore. The moment he said they are not bombing, it is already on the support zone. From here it went up. So technically, I would have uh, planned for a buy position once this resistance is crossed, anyways, right? And look at the coincidence, or I don't know if it is pre-planned. 95% of the newses will be on supports or resistances. अगर good है तो they will declare it on support zone. अगर कुछ गलत है, if it is a negative news, they will exactly release release that news at resistance point. So I don't know. I have observed this like many times. I'll keep telling such scenarios when it occurs. So I was surprised to see this big move. Okay, I didn't know what happened because I don't follow the news. Then later 15 minutes, I got a notification on some website like Money Control or something like that, where they where it was clear that Trump declared it is not going to bomb Iran. That's when the U.S. Euro dollar, I mean Euro has went up, and simultaneously I also checked crude. Crude drastically fell. Okay, so if you look at a crude chart at this date, crude would have been in the resistance. Okay, anyways you will plan for a sell position to resistance, right? So I don't see any, maybe following news will give you an edge. Of course, it will clearly tell you which direction that you have to go. But this news wala impact will be very rare in the market. Meaning out of, if you take 50 trades, maybe 5 trades you will be taking based on the news that is available in the market. So again, this is my perception. Uh, there are many traders who will do news trading. Okay, based on news they'll trade. So I'm not that kind of a person. So this have been observed long for more than, I would say, 50-60 times I have observed in the market that whenever there is a news, the Prime Minister of India tells something which will boost the market, same time market is already at the support zone. So anyways, we look for a buy position at the supports, right? So that's how it is. That's how the market is. And that is the reason I will not trade in the evening sessions or night sessions where US market is active. Because I should follow the news, which I don't want to. And I am purely a technical guy, technical analysis, chart reading guy. I don't follow news. And if you see this, my balance, and again, this is the paper trading. So if you look at this, I was keep losing for 5 times, but one trade was enough for me to push me into the profits. So this is how you should trade. This is how you should accept your losses. If I see, if I have taken 6th, 13th I have took 3 trades, 14th I have took 2 trades, and today only 1 trade, and I'm still in profits. So what I'm trying to say is you should accept the losses as they are. You should not revenge trade. You should not over trade. You should not get emotional with the losses. Market will take if you are disciplined. Market will also give. It will take if you are greedy. It will take if you are emotionally imbalanced. It will give you once you are disciplined. Discipline is the key. Discipline is the key. You have to think against your brain. You have to train your brain. There is nothing called easy in this journey. You have to train your brain. You should train your brain to accept the losses. It is against human behavior. At any point of time, you will be so, I mean, in general life, if you lose money, you'll feel so bad. But trading is not like that. You should let the loss go. It should not ruin your mood. It should not um, waste your emotions. And trading is such a business. It will only and only give you rewards only if you are disciplined. And the way, if you build discipline, life will be changed. The way you look at the things will change. You'll become calmer and calmer. If there is any profession that keeps you calm, peaceful in life, that is only trading. It will let you think in peaceful mind, it will let you think in calm mind, it will not encourage aggression. This is the only profession which needs peace of mind and which will make you calmer person and patient person. Okay, so you should know what you are. You should fight against your emotions. You should fight against your instincts. That's the reason trading is you versus you. It's not you and you versus, it's not you versus market. Market is always right. It is your perception how you look at it. If I have to take a trade here, I have to wait till the time it gives me a confirmation somewhere here and somewhere in the RSA, it has to broke somewhere. Until then, I cannot take a trade. This is a job description. So trading has a job description, and the key skill in it is wait, wait, wait. 90% waiting, do nothing is a job description. You have to sit ideal, that's the job description, that is a job requirement. You cannot trade just like that. You have to sit, wait, watch, see what it's saying. See, now just now we discussed it might go here and then go up. It might come here and then come down. You should be open for anything. You should be open for anything. You cannot decide the direction. Market will decide the direction. You have to follow it. That's all. That's the underlining rule. You should follow the market. Market will not follow you. Market will kick you out if you behave odd. That's the market. Market is always supreme. It is giving you loss. Accept it. Smile at it. Say thank you. Be grateful that your entire capital is not wiped out. Be happy. Okay. Smile at it. Say thank you. That's all. If you are making profit, smile at it. Say thank you. That's what discipline is. That's what consistency is. So, what is discipline? Discipline is not something not feeling bad. Discipline is not something you cannot, what I'm saying is, it's not that you cannot be wrong. Discipline is not that you cannot get emotional. Emotional is a job of your mind. Let it happen. But you should control your emotions with your mind by not reacting or reflecting on the charts. So whenever there's a loss, you'll be like, Mera gaya paisa, and then I have to recover. No, that doesn't work. The more you go and try to earn money from the market, so much it will kick you out. That's the market. Accept it. It's a spiritual process. If you believe in God, how much you believe, how much you wait for His blessings, that's the market itself. You have to wait. Until then, you have to literally sit doing nothing. That's the job. Job description of trading is sit idle for a long time. That's the job description. Just the job description. Daily 2 trades, that's the job description. Wait for confirmation, that's the job description. If you write a job description of a trade, it will be 100% against your corporate jobs. Your corporate jobs is 100%, you have to work. That doesn't work here. Trading job description says Sit silent, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, and watch it. That's what the trading job description says. It's not about executing, it's not about taking trades, many trades. Take 2 trades, quality trades, that's enough. If you are making loss with that setup, that's fine, completely fine. And loss, loss is not equals to failure. You have to remember this. Many traders will lose their money, but why are they successful? Because they treat losses differently than you treat. That's the differentiation factor. You should learn how to treat losses. You should learn how to survive in the down streak. You should learn how to survive in the losing streak. You should learn how to execute your plan even though there is a lot of losses uh, hitting your accounts. Look at this simple example. I've made losses in 5 trades. One trade paid me off, and that's it, right? So just focus on the process. Result is just a byproduct. I know it's very difficult to come at this stage. Even I struggle a lot. So trading is not a job that you sit and do work. No, it's not the job description. Simply says sit quiet for a long time. Sit quiet until the market shows the direction. Sit quiet until you are confident enough to take that particular trade which is aligning with your setup. So that's the trade. That's the trading rules. That's the psychology. That's the psychology. You have to go against human psychology. That's the reason only 1% in the trading profession people are success. Only 1%. 90% people fail. 99% people fail because of this one reason. They don't know how to tackle losses. They don't know how to take losses, how to treat the losses mentally and physically and emotionally. They don't know how to take losses. Simple process step. If you are doing a corporate job, you have a procedure. One, do this. Two, do this. Three, step four, step five. Write down your rules, your process. How you write? Like in my case, open the chart, go to daily time frame, mark high resistance and low resistance. Then come to 15 minutes chart, look for a patterns, draw the patterns which is aligning with your daily time frame. Then come on to the 5 minutes chart, mark day high, day low, day range, day close. Then look where the market is opening. Market is opening at the top. Then if it is an uptrend, look for a buy position. If it is a downtrend, opening at the top, look for a sell position. If market is opening in the bottom, if it is a like if it is a downfall, then look for a breakdown to sell. If it is at a uptrend opening at a day low, then look for a buy position, right? If it is opening in the middle, look for a opportunity. If it is giving high buy upper breakout, then look for a trade near resistance. You can plan for resistance here. You can plan for support, buy position at support when it is middle. So this is how you will write your procedure, and then you will say entry point, define your entry point, breakdown, RSA breakdown, then retest. If the breakdown kind is big, look for a retest and then take an entry. Or like this candle, just go enter and place your stop loss just below your first support. There is a matter. Once the trading is done, close the chart, close the chart, close the window, go away, walk for 15 minutes. Don't look at the chart. Even though if you are profit, even if you are loss, don't look at the chart. Go away for 15 to 20 minutes, even 30 minutes is fine. If it is 1 hour, it's more than enough because it's 24/7 market. You have plenty of time to trade. Just walk away. Take a trade, loss, go away, profit, go away. Don't look at the chart. No more trading. Then come back. We look at the charts again. We will repeat this from daily chart. You'll look into the 15-minute chart and come to 5-minute chart. You will do all the analysis. Every time you trade, you follow the steps. Okay? And be ruthless with your rules. Ruthless. If you are not paying tax, they'll be jailed. That's a ruthless rule. Likewise, you should be ruthless with your rules. If there is only 2 trades in a day, 2 trades in a day. That's all. No more extras. If if you are running into losses, accept the loss. No revenge trade. So there is no. So follow this process. Follow this process. Trust the process. Trust your procedure that you have written. Follow it. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Nothing happening. Like in your corporate, you followed your procedures 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing happened. Everything good happened. Same way here also it will happen. Everything you write, follow that every day. Write in a paper or a book. Keep it beside you. What is your step 1? No mind function, only brain function. That's all. Only brain should talk, no mind. If mind comes, your emotions will kick in. So train, pamper your mind not to get emotional and be against emotional. It's a training process. See, mind and brain can only be trained. It will remember what you do. It will remember what you do. It will not remember what you see. Should do it. You should practice it. That's how discipline is built, right? When discipline is built, you'll become calmer. You'll become patient enough. You will become unstoppable. You'll become so peaceful mind. You can do anything. That's the mindset of a disciplined trader. I'm trying to building it. I'm I feel I'm on track. I'm on track. That's it. So this is how traders think. So I after sitting so long for 4 hours, 5 hours, let us say, I might get a trade. I might not get a trade. But if it is not satisfying my levels, I will not take a trade. Either it should break this and give a retest and then enter, or give a breakout here, retest and enter. That's the mindset I have. If I'll wait till another 10-15 minutes. If I get a trade, then fine. I'll just take a trade, irrespective of loss or profit. I don't mind. I'll see if it is working, then fine. If it's not working, then fine. Just close it off, and then go straight off. That's all. If I'm not getting any trade within 10 to 15 minutes, I'll not trade. This is not a job that you just go on hit buy button, sell button. No. No. It is like a freedom with your own rules, right? So when others keep rules in your life, it is not a freedom. But here, freedom is there with your own rules. How strict you follow your rules, that much freedom you'll get. That's what trading is, right? It's you versus you. Just remember this. I've seen many traders who are very good at discipline, very good at consistency. See, if you are disciplined enough in every day, that is what consistency is. If you are consistent every day, you'll see the results. As simple as it. What is discipline? Patience. Patience lead to discipline. Discipline lead to consistent. Consistency lead to profitability. It is a cycle. One will lead to another. Another will lead to another. Another will lead to. What is meant by discipline? What is meant by discipline? Following your rules, sitting quiet, protecting your capital. Main thing in trading is you have to protect your capital, nothing else. Making profit is secondary. how well you will protect your capital is very, 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 very important. Can you protect your capital in your downfall? Can see anybody, you would think that anybody can make good in profitability, right? There is a psychology towards profit also. If it is too much you are into profits, then it's also risk because you'll become overconfident. You'll think market is giving me everything. That's when it will hit you hard. That's the reason I told you it's spiritual process. At any cost, you are not greater than God. Let's remember that. You are not greater than God. How much your profitability you are, how much your income you generate from market, you are not greater than market. You always respect it. Right. So in the same way, so how well you can protect your capital during your losing streak is very, very important. Remember one thing, if market is not giving you opportunity, this is a time, right? In your life, there will be situations where you are in very bad situations in life, but time will take it away, right? Time will take it away. In the same way, if market is in an atrocious situation where it is just sideways and no clear direction, nothing is happening, you will leave it. Time will heal it. Time will take you time. Time will give you a timing. So let it go, let it pass. Don't do anything, just sit. Let it make some noise around. That's when you will see the real situation that will give you breakout or breakdown, whatever it is. It's you should let that time go. Letting time go is very important. That's your job. That's your job. Time pass is your job. Without doing anything is your job. You trade. Like I said, it's not like a corporate job where you have to sit on your system every time, every minute. You have to talk to people. You have to do that. You always work meeting, Word document, Excel sheet, Word formulas. No, nothing doing. Just sitting reading this job description of the job of effectively. That's all. Nothing doing. If you master the job description, then market will give you returns. And every loss is a business expense. If you think like that, nothing else. So building this mindset is very, very, very difficult. Some people will learn it early in the age. Some people will learn it in mid-range of their age. Some people will learn it in the later stage of the later age of the stage. So so that's how um, trading is, right? So start preparing your mind. Start training your mind. You should listen what, sorry, your mind should listen what you says. You should not listen what your mind says. This is one of the statement in Bhagavad Gita, right? If you know Bhagavad Gita, if you follow Bhagavad Gita, if you understand Bhagavad Gita, then trading is happening. That's the reason I said God is always superior. God is always right. You are not greater than a God. In this situation, in this thing, market is a God. He will know when to punish you. He will know when to reward you. He will punish you when you are impatient. He will, market will reward you when you are patient. Wait for a position. Wait for a signal. Then buy. That's okay. Every time it might not work, but just you need that uh, number of trades where you are just profitable. That's all. That doesn't mean that you have to hit buy sell buttons every day, every minute. No, just 2 trades in a day. That's enough. But actually, one trade in a day, which is a very good setup, is enough. Just look for 6 hours period. How many opportunities you'll get? See, look at here. Resistance, resistance, and it was like a wage pattern, raising wage pattern. Aram se either there was a breakdown here, this kind like that was, and look at the RSA. RSA was giving signal here only. That's all. This is a breakdown, and take a trade. If you take till here also, you will get so much of money, man. One trade in a session is more than enough. See, support. I would have taken a trade here, right here, because support the fits area, support area, ऊपर गया. It's all. I know this is the resistance. I made this thing here, target. Okay. But since this is a like waging pattern, I would have looked for a sell position with the resistance levels. So that's how you trade. See, 15 minutes has given a breakdown, but still there's no movement. Another 5 minutes. I'll just leave. Let's see if we go levels. Standing on 0.5%. Of retracement zone is okay. Let's see. Resistance came down in time. Let's see on knowledge and instead of candles for fun. Yeah. So like I said, I think it can go to these levels. But this is where the resistance has, the sell-off has come, right? So let's see if it crosses these levels. This is a clear support. But it's already at this point. Let's put some figure levels here. Okay. Might be. That's it. We are okay with anything, right? Okay, so everything I'll short 15 minutes. Buy signal, I'll just buy. So what will happen is whoever bought these levels of these levels and these levels, I mean that will go up because 1, 2, 3, 4th time, right? Those people's stop losses are here. This is a stop loss zone. If it will hit it hard, what will happen is this stop losses. So buy ka stop losses sell. So there are a lot of sell orders here that will trigger. Along with that, new sellers will come in place. Okay, Along with that, if there is any retracement, the people who lost their money as the stop loss here, they start selling it again. So there are three types of sellers who will enter into this market here at this zone, right? So waiting, you should be along with them. Should be along with them. Should not go against them. Understood? Ding, 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 ding. Lot of sales happening. This is becoming a support. This is a support. See how stubborn the buyers are. See, they are not letting this resistance to come down. If it breaks also, it will go up only. But let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm done. I will take a leave. But yeah, so we'll work on discipline, work on your mindset, start preparing your mind. N number of strategies will be there in YouTube, or N number of things will be there. You can copy my strategy, but you cannot copy my mindset. That's important. Mindset is important. You cannot copy anybody's mindset until unless you build it yourself. That's it. Yeah. Shallow then. We'll see how it behaves tomorrow, right? Tomorrow morning will come live. Let's see. Okay. Thank you, traders.